What is up, YouTube? This is Marlo from Marlo's Take. And in this box, it's here. It is finally here. The PlayStation 5. I'm going to be doing unboxing and give you my reviews. But guys, I've been waiting for this for so long. While I'm doing my unboxing, I'm going to definitely let you know what's going on and what in my journey to get this PlayStation 5. It was crazy, but I did it. Mission accomplished. So again, I'm going to be doing an opening. I'm opening a box straight from the shipping box, and then I will open up the PlayStation itself to reveal the console. Guys, I'm like really, really excited right now. So check out my intro, and then we're going to get into this unboxing. And yes, I have some Funko Pops of Kratos, Atreus, and Miles Morales Spider-Man that's going to witness me opening up. All right, YouTube family, don't forget to hit the likes button and subscribe for more Marlo's Take. This is a nice plain brown box, which I was happy to get because I didn't want too many people to know that I was getting this. And I got to tell you, I had to give a large, big shout out to Kohl's. This is from Kohl's. I was able to secure the bag from Kohl's. Kohl's came through in a pinch, and I cannot tell you how happy I am to receive what I call, oh man, it's upside down, the Holy Grail of 2020. Okay, YouTube, now the big reveal. It was upside down when I opened it, but now it's right side up, as you can see. Sony PlayStation 5. You guys do not understand. One of my first jobs I had was a little bit of history about me and the PlayStation. One of the first jobs I had, I was working in Chemical Bank. That's how long ago it was. And with my first check, I brought the PlayStation 1. I went to Electronic Boutique. So I've had a PlayStation, has been a staple in my life. I brought the PlayStation 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 Pro, and I finally got the 5. Like I said, PlayStation is like a staple in my life. So I'm so happy that I was able to get this. It went through a lot. It was a tough road, but hard work pays off. And here's proof. Okay, so let's get with the unboxing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. PlayStation 5, play like never before. Here we go. PlayStation 5, 8K, 4K, 120 HDR. PlayStation 5, the Holy Grail. I'm too excited for this. And since I brought it from Kohl's, I had to buy the bundle. I really didn't want to, but I think the bundle was the thing that helped me get it. And I got the actual DualSense controller. Everyone talks about how revolutionary the DualSense controller is, so I can't wait to use it. Now, the funny thing is, I brought the Spider-Man Miles Morales already from Amazon because I was anticipating buying it, but you know what? It came with the game, and I said, I'll just have to return this one from Amazon. But yeah, this is everything, guys. This is everything. It came up to it was over $600. I believe it was $630 with tax. It came up to just about $700. I usually don't need like an extra DualSense because I mostly play solo. But hey, you know something? I had to buy the bundle. I was going through too much and the opportunity was there and I took it. And also the Miles Morales Funko Pop is still flanking me over here. And I got Kratos and Atreus, my favorite of all PlayStation games. So we're going to get right here. We're going to get started with the unboxing. Okay, YouTube, good with this unboxing. Okay, we're opening it up right now. There it is. Has the handle with it and everything. This is really great. Okay, I was finally able to get out the box. It's a lot heavier than it was. You see the nice PlayStation symbol on here. All white and all black at the end. This is just really, really incredible. A lot of detail went into the packaging and holding on to this. This is really great. It's actually giving you instructions on what to do. So Sony left out this top part. I believe this top part might be the power pack. This is probably the power pack right here and the accessories. And there she is. As you can see, it is the console edition. I wasn't going to get the digital. I thought about getting the digital at first, but when I was doing my research, they said it's not really worth it because when it comes to things being on sale and this, that, and the other, if you do it all digital, like I have the Google Stadia, and I think the digital is a good idea. When you, it's better to have the disc. So I'm glad they still continue with the disc. You can probably still download on this. Yeah, I decided to get the console, and I'm glad that I did. Now, already from what I'm seeing, which I'm a little surprised with, a little disappointed, a little surprised. Kohl's on their website said the color was black. So I've heard that they've had black editions of the PlayStation 5 in the digital and the console. So I was hoping that we would have gotten the black matte one. I don't care. As long as I have this, that's all that matters, that I finally just got this PS5. Man, guys, look at this. This looks amazing. Shout out to Sony PlayStation for thinking outside the box and not giving us something ordinary. You see the Sony logo here. You see the cutout PlayStation. And it's funny, just like people have been saying, it's an off-white. It's not like a white. It's not like a big white. And of course, it has the black and the matte in the middle. This thing is cool. You know what it reminds me of? Those Michael Jordan sneakers that I always wanted to get. I forgot which ones that they are. I'll probably put what they are, but Michael Jordan had these sneakers that I always wanted. It was all white and had this black patent leather strip around it. That's what this reminds me of. If I had a pair of those, I'd put them right next to these, but this is great. Here's the other controller, the other DualSense controller. It feels good in the hand. I can't wait to fire this up. I had plans today because they said the estimate delivery today was at 9 p.m. So I had a whole slate of things to do, and because this is my day off today. And for this to come here at like 10:30 in the morning is just a bigger surprise. Again, big shout out to Kohl's and the Shy Guy, Linus, Wario, Jake. They all kept me sane for 10 days. Because again, guys, this was a journey. This was a journey. Speaking of journey, I briefly want to tell you what happened with me. I was not able to get the pre-order back in September, I believe it was, which I was very disappointed with. So then I had the unfortunate pleasure of trying to buy this online the day that it launched. And can I tell you, it was a disaster. This something was, it shouldn't be this hard because of the bots and the scalpers. Please do not buy from the scalpers because you're enabling the scalpers. If you give them thousands of dollars, then they're going to continue to do what they do. And as real fans, we're going to miss out on things like this. It shouldn't have to be 10 days for us to get a console, all because the scalper is using bots and everything else to try to take it. I can't tell you, 9 straight days. I would have it. I'd get the circle, either be Walmart, Best Buy, PlayStation Direct. I would get the circle. I'd get online with PlayStation and Direct. And as soon as it gets close, all of a sudden it'll say out of stock. And then I kept seeing that damn deer at Walmart, which was driving me up the wall. But I kept saying, you know what, I'll just wait till Black Friday. And today is Black Friday. And thank goodness I didn't wait because people are going through the same thing today. It was really crazy. Now, what happened was I got a little lucky because I was following a lot of guys like Shy Guy and Linus Wilson and Jake and Wario. And they happened to say last week, Sunday, that Kohl's was dropping. So I signed up an account for Kohl's. And when I did that, they still had the countdown clock going. And I instantly purchased. And I was able to get it. I think since Kohl's isn't known for their buying electronics, especially like PlayStation, it kind of took everybody by surprise. But I'm glad that they did. I got my bundle. I can't wait to start this up. Continue this video once I get everything all set up in my room. But guys, this is amazing. This is just really a great day for everything that's been going on. This, as Thanos says, puts a smile on my face. All right, YouTube. The conclusion of my video, I'm going to start it with you guys. And again, it's not the greatest unboxing, but it is my take so far on the Sony PlayStation. As a full disclosure, as I said in my previous video, I'm a big fan of Google and Sony products. So I know I was going to love this. I'm going to just start it so you guys can see it. I'm going to share it with my channel. And then after that, I'm going to be gone for a while because I can't wait to get into this thing. Okay, I have the plug and everything all plugged in, so I'm about to get started. Pressing it. And here we go. Blue lights, like they say. It looks good, it fits well. Blue lights coming on, and here we go. There it is. As you can see, I also have my sound bar on. I'm not sure if it automatically goes to game mode. It's the Samsung sound bar. Let me see the mode. Yeah, it looks like it's still on game, so I'm not sure if it did it by itself, but I'll keep it on this game mode. Guys, I'm just going to go through the setup again. This was just, I'm very excited to play this. And like I said, I'm canceling all plans today. I'm going to get this going. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to also come back with a review to see how I feel about the PlayStation after the next few days, how the PlayStation 5 is doing. If I have any problems or anything, I'll let you know. I'm hoping that I don't. Again, it looks good in the room. So then after that, I will do the setup and get everything done, and I'll come back with a review after I've had it for a few days. Thanks again for watching Marlo's Take. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up for more. And I'll see you guys. See you guys soon. So guys, I just wanted to leave this off by saying it was difficult. It wasn't easy trying to get this PlayStation 5, you know, dealing with bots and scalpers and the rush of the holiday and the pandemic. I just want to tell you guys, just don't give up, all right? You'll be able to get this too. It was a lot of luck that I did. I was fortunate I was able to get it at the time that I was. And sometimes you might have to do something like buy a bundle, if you can afford it, of course. But we'll all get one eventually. And just don't give up, guys. We can do this. We can beat the bots. We can beat the scalpers. Okay, once again, Marlo's Take, signing off, and play on.